Mercury, an extreme world. It's small, it's scorched, and it's hurtling around the sun at over 170,000 kilometers per hour. This is Mercury, the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest to our star. But don't let its size fool you. Mercury is one of the most extreme, violent and alien places we've ever discovered. Today we'll explore this bizarre little world, from its boiling hot days and freezing nights to the secrets buried in its oversized metallic heart. One of Mercury's defining features is what it doesn't have: an atmosphere. While Earth's thick blanket of gases shields us from radiation, moderates our climate and supports life, Mercury has almost none of that, just a whisper-thin exosphere made of atoms blasted off its surface by the relentless solar wind. That means there's no air to trap heat, so when the sun shines, the surface scorches up to 430 degrees Celsius. But once night falls, that same surface plunges to minus 180, a temperature swing of over 600 degrees, the greatest of any planet. Mercury completes an orbit around the Sun every 88 Earth days, tracing a highly elliptical path. It's not just fast, it's erratic. At times it's nearly 70 million kilometers from the Sun, other times just 46 million. From Mercury's surface, the Sun appears more than twice as large as it does from Earth. And because of Mercury's unique 3-to-2 spin-orbit resonance, the Sun can actually pause, reverse direction, and rise again in the sky, all in a single Mercurian day. Time behaves strangely on Mercury. For such a small planet, Mercury has an unusually large core, occupying over 85% of its radius. That's far more than Earth or any other rocky planet. Scientists believe that long ago, Mercury had a thicker outer shell, but a series of violent collisions may have stripped it away, leaving behind a dense, metal-rich world. That iron heart even generates a magnetic field, a rare trait for a rocky planet. But unlike Earth's strong, symmetrical magnetism, Mercury's magnetic field is offset and lopsided, as if the core itself is shifted or uneven. It's a magnetic mystery still waiting to be solved. Mercury's surface tells a story of trauma. It's scarred with craters billions of years old, some over 1,000 kilometers wide. Scattered across the landscape are towering cliffs, known as lobate scarps. These steep formations formed as Mercury's core cooled and contracted, shrinking the planet and forcing the crust to buckle and crack, like drying mud. Some of these scarps stretch hundreds of kilometers, standing as massive geological fault lines frozen in time. Only 2 spacecraft have ever visited Mercury. Mariner 10, back in the 1970s, gave us our first close-up images, but you know it only saw half the planet. Then came Messenger in 2011. It orbited Mercury for 4 years, mapping its surface and unlocking secrets of its gravity, chemistry and magnetism. And now, Bepi Colombo, a joint mission between the European and Japanese space agencies, is on its way. It's set to arrive in 2025 and promises to reveal even more about this mysterious world. Could life survive on Mercury? In short, no, not as we know it. The searing heat, brutal cold, intense radiation and lack of atmosphere make Mercury utterly inhospitable. There's no water, no air, no refuge. But while it's no place for life, it is a place for science, an ancient relic from the early days of the solar system. By studying Mercury, we learn about the formation, destruction and resilience of rocky planets, including our own. In a solar system full of giants and gas, Mercury stands alone, tiny, scarred and scorched, a planet shaped by violence and still whispering secrets across the void. It may never be a home, but it is a window into the fiery chaos that once ruled our cosmic neighborhood. And for that, we keep listening. If this journey to Mercury sparked your curiosity, leave a like, subscribe for more planetary stories, and share it with someone who still thinks size is all that matters. Because sometimes, the smallest planets hold the biggest mysteries.